VMs go for launch.
Copy, checks. T-minus 10. 5, mark, 4, 3, 2, 1. NASA Wallops Flight Facility in Mid-Atlantic Regional Spaceport.
Vehicle supersonic. Vehicle power is nominal. Mach 2.
Approaching max Q, attitude nominal.
Mach 3, stage 1 thrust is over 200,000 pounds. NASA PM copies. Mach 4, vehicle is now half its original mass. Stage 1 set, stage 2 ignition confirmed. Motor nominal.
Vehicle flight path and attitude are nominal.
Vehicle avionics and power system are performing as expected.
Vehicle flight path and attitude are nominal.
Approaching stage 2 burnout, vehicle is now 1/4 its original mass.
Stage 2 burnout confirmed.
Turn him off. And this concludes today's coverage of the Minotaur I NRL L-111 mission, launched at 9:35 a.m. Eastern Time. Mission information, including photos, will be available on the NRO, NASA Wallops, and Northrop Grumman websites and their respective Facebook and Twitter accounts. The next launch from Wallops is a NASA Terrier Improved Orion suborbital sounding rocket carrying the Rock-On educational payload. Launch is scheduled for 8 a.m. Thursday, June 24th. Thanks for joining us today.